Alright, so yesterday we made it from Texas to New Mexico, Tucumcari.
Yep.
Where we spent the night there because we wanted to see the neon lights on the main street because it was supposed to be some of the best on Route 66. Kind of disappointing.
There's a couple good ones.
Yeah, the Blue Swallow Motel was the best
yeah,
one.
and the teepee was fun.
Yeah.
But some weren't lit. There weren't very many.
Yeah.
I don't know. We were a little disappointed. But what we saw was still cool.
Yeah, it was Sunday, and apparently the entire town shuts down Sunday afternoon, and there's literally one restaurant open.
Yeah.
That night, so we ate there for Mother's Day.
Mexican. It was good, but no margaritas
they're
because they were working on getting their liquor license. So that was. How can you have Mexican and no margaritas? But
so
it was still a good day.
Yeah.
We stayed at the Elks Lodge.
Oh yes, the Elks Lodge. Yes.
1172.
Possibly,
maybe.
It's the New Mexico one.
New Mexico, Tucumcari. That was a good place to stay. You had the Tucumcari Mountain. I think we're saying it
I'm sure we're saying it wrong.
Yeah, but we say a lot of things wrong.
Yeah.
But you could see the mountain right behind there, so that was beautiful. Pretty sunset last night.
Yeah, they had a Mother's Day lunch.
Yes.
So we
moms were free.
Yeah.
That was good. That was good food too.
Yeah.
And then we took off this morning.
Yeah,
it's still kind of early.
Like 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's about 10 o'clock. Little breezy, still a little cool. What was the temperature out here?
It's like 65 maybe.
And right behind us, if you saw the sign behind us,
the Blue Hole.
We are gonna go jump in. Yikes. Temperature 61 in there.
Year
it's
round
always
temperature.
61. Yeah. So
there's some construction here. You might be able to hear that in the back.
It's always noise.
Yeah. So we're gonna go jump in and say we've been there, done that.
Yep. All right. We'll catch you later. right, so the quick little stop as we're driving, we saw signs for this and so decided to stop. It's Pacos National Historical Park.
The building you see, or what's left of it, was built as a Spanish mission. It was built early 1700s, 1710, I think, something like that.
1710, yeah, somewhere around there.
The
Long
original one
time
was, original one was built, I think she said, in the
1600s.
And then Pueblo people, I guess, revolted or something, tore it down, and then the Spanish rebuilt another one here.
Yeah.
So this is what's left of that. There's some ruins of the Pueblo houses here as well.
Yeah, neat little stop. Wish we had time to spend, but just peeking around and then we're moving on.
comb high, grease on my hand, sugar on your smile. Jukebox jumping in Nina's sign, you tap one, he'll say, boy,